welcome to our channel The Fun Creators. I am Tejasvi and today we are going to make a delicious green corn curry. So let's see the ingredients for that. So first of all you're going to need 1 cup of boiled corn and you can add a little salt to it. 3/4 cup of coconut milk, 1 full cup of milk, salt as per taste. 1 cup coriander, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds also known as khaskhas, a small piece of ginger finely chopped, half teaspoon lemon juice, around 3/4 cup of coconut which should be finely chopped, 1 tablespoon flour, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1 green chili finely chopped. So let's begin. First of all, we will make a paste using our coriander, ginger, lemon juice, coconut, cardamom powder and green chili. Okay, so first of all, so now we have put all the cardamom, ginger, the chili, coconut and the poppy seeds and all that stuff and we are going to make a paste out of it. Now before running the grinder, we are going to put the wok on the stove and let it heat. Along with that, you can just put 2 tablespoon. You have to put 2 tablespoon of ghee or oil and let it heat now. So now we will run the grinder. Let's see. Smells nice. So now we will put this beautiful green paste into the wok. Very carefully. And we will cook it for around 2-3 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. We will check out our paste. We will stir it really well. Do you guys know that this dish that we are making is healthy as well as delicious? The coriander leaves that we just added in them, they are full of iron, and ginger and lemon juice. Wow. So since our paste is already cooked, we will just let it be there for a few minutes. By the time we'll make our milk mixture. So we will put our milk in it first of all. Done. Next we will put coconut milk. Add it completely. And now our flour. Before we add it to that pan, we will stir this mixture nicely and make sure that you press against the side so that the flour is also nicely and evenly distributed throughout. It doesn't come out in lumps. You know, you are going to rock this lockdown time with your moms. They'll be very happy when you make this dish, which is healthy and tasty. You know what? I'm going to tell you guys one nice fact. The poppy seeds that we added, that is khas. Haven't you always heard your nannies saying, "अरे बेटा खसखस का हलवा खाया कल एग्जाम है ना?" Khaskhas is really good for your memory. Oh yeah, and before you add it for the paste, just let it, just soak it in water for 2-3 minutes, okay? And the corn also, the poppy seeds that is, and the corn also we will boil it and add some salt to it. Now our mixture is nicely stirred. We will just pour it into the wok very carefully. Now we have to stir it nicely and keep stirring till it becomes a thick curry. Really nice, I tell you, and it will be really good if you have it before your exams. Nice for the memory, you know, khaskhas. And after it's done, you can also we will obviously add some corn, and you can also add some cream in it. The color looks so beautiful, right? See, the color is coming out as I keep stirring it, and it's becoming thick also. The beautiful green color, it's coming out nicely as I stir it. Once it becomes thick, we will add some corn, and if you want, you can add cream also. We will not add sugar to it, you know, like they do in hotels. The coconut milk, it's really tasty and it adds the sweetness which is needed in these curries. See, it is becoming thick slowly. Wow, I'm so excited. I can't wait for it to be totally cooked. Just keep stirring. See, it's slowly getting a better color and also becoming thick. Now, yes, now it's done. Now we will add some corn in it, okay? After all, it's green corn curry, right? So you can add as much corn as you want. And if you don't like it with corns, you can put other things like, I love paneer, you can add that. Now we'll start it again. Looks so beautiful, small yellow corns with green color. It smells even better. Look at it. If you want, you can add a little bit of cream also to it. You can add it now, or you can add it once it has cooked and once you have put it in the serving dish. Yum, right? Just stir it nicely. done. And now we will pour it out in our serving dish. It's all ready. Okay, so now our curry is ready. You can add salt as per your taste and fresh cream also. Now our curry is ready. We will pour it out in our serving dish. If you don't have fresh cream during this lockdown period, you can just take the fresh cream from the milk available in your house. Smells really delicious, you know. I can't wait to have it. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it? And just in 10 minutes, would you believe that? So I suggest you to have it with hot rice, or you can have it with roti or bread, and it will be really tasty. And you will be rocking your impression with your mother this time with this really easy thing, with this really easy dish. So that is how the green corn curry is made, and we'll meet soon. So bye.